Hello everyone, I am Nika Akran, your student caregiver, and today I'm going to show you how to lift and hold the baby, also how to burp the baby. For today, I'm going to use my teddy bear because we don't have a baby. Before lifting the baby, you should sanitize your hand first. Cradle hold. Make sure you provide support the neck, the back, and the bottom of the baby. Hip hold. Face your baby outward and make her sit on your hip bone. You should wrap your arm around her waist. Lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Her head should be at your knees, facing up. Baby feet should be tucked in your waist. Shoulder hold. Make sure you use a burping cloth to manage the nest. Sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Gently tap her or rub the back to help her burp. Face down in your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head and gently tap or rub your back to help him burp. Sitting. Gently assist the baby into sitting position. Support the neck and the head and pat her or rub her back to help her burp.